Hey guys, how are you doing? So I hope you guys are enjoying the festive season, and here I have created another look that you can create. This is very easy. This is a look that I feel people will be comfortable to wear. I don't like going like crazy with my makeup, so yeah, I created this. Please do not forget to subscribe. So I'm starting off with Garnier Daily Moisturizing Cream and some under eye cream that is from Himalaya. It's really important to treat your skin before going on with makeup. And these two products are very affordable. Both of them cost like under 200 rupees. So after I'm done with the skincare, I'll move on to eyes, and I'll just prep my eyes. Basically use a concealer as a eyeshadow base. Now I'm going to set the concealer with this eyeshadow. You can do it with a compact as well. For the transition, I took this mauve shade, and if you have this palette, you have to be careful because this shade is not super pigmented. You have to build upon it. Using the actual transition shade from the palette and a pencil brush, I'm just going to create depth in my eyes. I'll take the same shade in this NYX number 17 brush and apply it on my crease, but not taking it as high as the other shade. Then I took this shimmery champagne shade in a sponge tip applicator, I think it's called, and applied it all over my lid. I'll leave my eyes like this for now and move on to MAC Strobe cream for that lit from within kind of skin. So after I have massaged it well, I'm going to move on to this Wet n Wild foundation, and this is the Innisfree sponge that I'm trying. I thought I should use it with the foundation and see if it works or not, but it didn't. I thought I can give you a better option maybe because you get 6 sponges for 250 rupees, but it sadly did not work. So now next I'm going in with this concealer. So for today I have only taken the neutralizer shade. I haven't used the shade medium because the foundation is really high coverage according to me and my preference, so I did not think that I need two concealers. So now I will just set my under eyes with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. It's a very good powder. And whatever is left in the sponge, I'll just tap it on my face. Then I'll take this fluffy powder brush and dust the excess. I did my eyebrows off camera, and this is the thing that I used today. This is Maybelline Fashion Brow Gel Pomade, and this I used to set my brows on place. Now I took this Maybelline Master Contour palette and I contoured my face. I have tried to use all the products that I mentioned in my Durga Puja essentials so that you guys can see that the looks can be created with them. I took this blush from the same palette. It's a pretty blush. As a liquid highlighter, I took NYX Wavy Glow. You can totally skip a liquid highlighter. You can go in with a powder highlighter, or if you prefer a liquid one, you can just use that. Next I took this MILANON single eyeshadow in the shade Pearly Champagne, and I applied it on my lids because I was thinking the intensity of the other pearl shade that I used was not so good, and then I blended it. I went ahead and curled my lashes, and next I'll use this Volume Express mascara. I did not use any false lashes because I know many of you are not comfortable wearing lashes. Trust me, I am also not. Normally a good mascara does the job. Next I went in with this nude pencil from Maybelline. This is from the Lasting Gel collection. Every product with its right shade and everything will be mentioned down in the description box below. So here I took the same Milano eyeshadow and highlighted all my areas. Look at that, it's a blinding highlighter. I remember sharing it with you guys that this is the cheapest highlighter you will get. It's for 290 rupees only. And then I used this Maybelline KAJAL to tightline my upper waterline. Just proper waterline or lash line. So this is the difference that it makes to your lashes. So next I moved in with a lip liner. This is in the shade Mauve from Maybelline, and I used Faces lipstick in the shade Girl Next Door. So I have filled in my lips with the same lip liner pencil. It's a beautiful shade, and then I use the lipstick only in the centers. And we are done with the makeup. So now I took these earrings. These are from Zaveri Pearls, and then I'll put on some bindi. I used a blue color bindi, and we are done. So this is the finished look. Hope you guys liked it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I've seen so many of you guys watch it but don't subscribe. Why? Do that please. It supports me. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.